Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited to show you guys this PDF that I created. It's 3 easy steps for Bible journaling, and I have it available in English and in Spanish, and it is completely free. Now what it is just a breakdown of the entire Bible journaling process in 3 easy steps, including a small study guide. Now this is something that I learned from the classes, Bible journaling classes that I attend. And every time that we get together to do Bible journaling, we go through these 3 steps. So let's go ahead and get into those steps so you guys can check out this PDF. It's available completely free on my Instagram, Jellybeanbiblejournaling. I'll be leaving a link below in the description so that you guys can visit my Instagram. Visit the link under my bio and you'll be able to print it out. If for some reason you have any issues obtaining that link to print it out, just let me know and I'll be more than happy to help you guys with it. I can send it to you guys directly through email, so just let me know. So first and foremost, the first step we have here is to pray. We always want to pray and ask God to help us in understanding His Word and to lead us in everything that we are going to do as we study. And after we pray, we want to read the verse or the passage that we are going to study. And we want to write out what stands out to us. And this part can be different for all of us, as different things will stand out to different people. And that's completely okay. So you want to write those things down. You want to write down which of God's attributes you can see in those in the verse or verses that you're studying, attributes or characteristics of God. You want to write those down, and you want to write how you can apply what you have read to your life as a Christian. And then for extra studying, you can look up definitions to any words that you find that are unfamiliar or maybe you don't have a complete understanding of. You might even want to look up even simple words, because sometimes looking up the simple words can really open up a lot of understanding. And then after you have prayed and studied, the very last step is to reflect. And you can do so by illustrating in your journaling Bibles, in your journals. Some people like to do it on a separate journal and not directly in their Bible, and that's okay. Or some people don't like illustrating at all. Maybe they feel that they're not very artsy. So what they do is they just take their notes and transfer them into their journals or Bibles. You can do that as well. This is completely up to you on how you want to do it. So that just breaks down the 3 easy Bible journaling steps. And again, that's going to be available on my Instagram, Jellybeanbiblejournaling. I'll be sure to leave the link below. Just wanted to stop by real quick and share this with you guys. I think that this has helped me tremendously, and I just wanted to share it with you guys as maybe it could help all of you guys as well. I also wanted to let you guys know it is also available in Spanish for those of you who are more comfortable with doing this in Spanish. It'll be under the same link as well. And just let me know, you guys, if you would like for me to do a video like going through this whole process of praying, writing and journaling, and reflecting. I think it'll be kind of fun to do it together, and it'll be nice to study the Word together and to show you how to exactly use this PDF. I think it's pretty simple, but I don't know. You guys let me know if you guys would like a video on that. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Please, if you can, give me a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure that you also hit the notification bell. That way you don't miss any of the videos that I upload. And I will see you guys in the next one. God bless.